Hi, welcome to Rhea's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making healthy oat chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started. The ingredients are 2 ripe bananas, 1/3 cup chocolate chips, 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup quick oats, or you can use 1.5 cup oatmeal. Step 1 is to mash the bananas. Make sure there are no lumps at the end. Step 2, add 1 cup quick oats and 1/2 cup rolled oats until they're well combined with the bananas. Step 3 is add 1/3 cup chocolate chip and mix until well combined. Now, roll into small little balls and place it on a baking pan with parchment paper. Now, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for about 12 to 15 minutes. Let the cookies cool down and then you can eat it. Just gotta wait. Let's taste the cookies. They're so good. Here, I have written down the whole recipe in my new recipe book I got for Christmas. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like to my channel. See you next time. Bye.